3A, John purchases a new bicycle for $880 and pays for it with a Canadian credit card. There is a transaction fee of 4.2% charged to John by the credit card company to convert this purchase into Canadian dollars. The exchange rate is $1 equals 1.25 Canadian. Calculate in Canadian the total amount John pays for the bicycle. For $880, you pay 4.2%, which means you multiply by 1 plus 4.2%. This is the amount paid by John. Then multiply by 1.25 to convert into Canadian dollars equals 880 times 1 plus 4.2 divided by 100, then times 1.25. Answer will be 1,146.2 Canadian dollars. For 3B, John insures his bicycle with a U.S. company. The insurance company produced the bicycle's value during each year. The value of a bicycle decreased by 20% each year. It will be geometric sequence, and R equals 1 minus 20%. That equals 0.8. Find the value of a bicycle during the 5th year. Give your answer to 2 decimal places. Since this is a geometric sequence, u sub 5 equals u sub 1 times r to the 4th power. U sub 1 equals $880. R equals 0.8. So plug in 880 times 0.8 to the 4th power equals 880 times 0.8 to the 4th power. Answer is $360.45. Remember, you need to round your answer into 2 decimal places. $360.45 US dollars. Look at the 3C. Calculate in years when the bicycle value will be less than 50 US dollars. We will set up U sub n less than $50. For U sub n equals U sub 1 times r to the n minus 1th power. This is the general form for geometric sequence. So we have 880 times 0.8 to the n minus 1th power less than 50. We will use the equation solver to solve this inequality. Get less than 0 form first. 880 times 0.8 to the n minus 1th power minus 50 less than 0. So go to y equals 880 times 0.8 to the x minus 1th power, then minus 50. Go to math, upper arrow, enter. Since we already put the y1, we just need to put an estimated value, then alpha, enter. Answer will be 13.9. By solver, n equals 13.9. Since n is a natural number, either n equals 13 or n equals 14. We need to check which one is the correct answer. Remember, we are looking for less than 0. So when we plug in a equals 13 or a equals 14, which one make this inequality true? Then that will be our answer. I need to plug in alpha trace y1, plug in 13, enter. Give us the positive number, so it's not the solution. Alpha trace y1, 14, plug in 14, you get the negative number. So a equals 14 is the solution. Let's go to 3D. During the first year, John pays $120 to insure his bicycle. Each year, the amount he pays to insure his bicycle is reduced by 3.50 US dollars. This means this is an arithmetic sequence, and D equals negative 3.50. Find the total amount John has paid to insure his bicycle for the first 5 years, which means we are looking for S sub 5. We will use this formula to figure out S sub 5. We do know U sub 1 equals 120 and A equals 5. D equals negative 3.50. So we have 5 over 2. 2 times 120 plus 4 times negative 3.50 equals 5 divided by 2. 2 times 120 plus negative 3.50 times 4. Enter. Answer will be $565. So answer is 565 US dollars. Go to 3E. John purchased the bicycle in 2008. In which year the value of the bicycle is less than or equal to the amount he pays to insure his bicycle. The value of a bicycle is a geometric sequence. Let's use A sub n stand for that. That equals A sub 1 times r to the n minus 1's power. The amount he pays to insure his bicycle is an arithmetic sequence. We will use U sub n equals U sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. We do know the A1 equals $80 and R equals 0.8. For this U sub 1 equals $120 and D equals negative 3.50. We will set up the inequality like this. 880 times 0.8 n minus 1's power less than or equal to 120 plus n minus 1 times negative 3.50. We want to use equation solver to solve this inequality. So move this to the right side. 0 less than or equal to 120 plus n minus 1 times negative 3.50, then minus 880 times 0.8 to the n minus first power. Then we go to calculator. First, we will put into y1. That is 120 plus x minus 1 times negative 3.50, then minus 880 times 0.8 to the x minus 1's power. Then go to Math, upper arrow solver. Use 10 as an estimated value, then alpha, enter. Answer will be 11.6. By solver n equals 11.6, there are two choices, either n equals 11 or n equals 12. We plug back into this inequality. We know n equals 12 will be the solution. So how to calculate the year? We know when n equals 1 is 2008 years. Then n equals 12. We add 11. 2008 plus 11 will be 2019. In year 2019, then the value of a bicycle is less than or equal to the amount he pays to insure his bicycle.